today, under Consumer Protection Act 2019, it is required that there should be a district consumer protection council in every district. So today was the first meeting of the North Goa District Consumer Protection Council, chaired by the district collector. We are very pleased by the cooperation and her quick response and enthusiasm that she has displayed today in this meeting, because today she has appealed also to all the line departments. Today's meeting was attended by various departments: electricity, higher education, transport, fire department. So many departments today were present, and ma'am has taken a lot of interest today in this meeting, and she has proposed that in the next 15 days itself, certain major decisions, for example, activating the public grievance system in all the departments, ensuring the complaint book is available for the consumers. Today she has also given direction to Bureau of Indian Standard BIS to have awareness programs in North Goa district. She has also proposed that a subcommittee to be formed of FDA, commercial taxes, legal metrology and civil supplies, so that the basic problems of the people who are faced with products which are fake, which are not having proper labeling, she will handle this. म्हाका तरी दिसता आयच्यो जो मिटींग आसा हे जिल्हा लेवलाचेर जी पयली ही बसका जाल्लेली आसा, मॅडम कलेक्टरान खूब इंट्रस्ट घेतल्या आनी आयज बरे पद्दतीन तेणेन तरेतरेचे विशय समजून घेतल्या आनी कायद्या प्रमाणे जे एमेंडमेंट्स येयलेले आसा, आयज 3-4 प्रेजेंटेशन आसले. एक कंज्युमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019, एक गिरायक संरक्षण कायदो 1986 आसलो तो आतां 2019, कितें फरक आहा तो विशय आयज बरो भाशेन मांडलेलो आसा. दुसरें लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी, पॅकेज कमोडिटी रुल्स, सिलिंडर कशे लोकांनी वेट काडपाक जाय, हे सगळे आयज प्रेजेंट केल्लेले आसा. तिसरो म्हत्वाचो विशय जो मांडलो जावन आसा FDA, फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, म्हणजे फूड सेफ्टीचे नवे नवे कितें येयल्लेले आसा ते आयज सगळे प्रेजेंट जाल्लेले आसा. तर आमकां दिसता की ह्या आयचे बसकेन जे निर्णय घेतलेले आसा, थाराव घेतलेले आसा, ते बरो इफेक्ट जातलो. कित्याक 25 जून 25 जून ते स्टेट कंज्युमर रायट्स डे, राज्य गिरायकाचो दीस जो हक्काचो दीस जो आसा तो मनोवपाक आमकां बरें मेळटलें. कित्याक आयज जे मॅडमान जे रिस्पॉन्स आमकां दिला ह्या मिटिंगेन, म्हाका तरी दिसता हे आतां त्या म्हयन्याचो प्रोग्राम जातलो आनी अवेरनेस जातलें ते बरे भशेन जातलें.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.